Soldering mistake number 7 is using the incorrect flame size. When soldering copper pipe, the size of the flame can play a major role in the outcome of the finished soldered joint. Using a flame that's too small or too big can lead to numerous issues, causing a weak connection that's prone to leaks. The best flame size to use is a method based on the size of the copper pipe. This method will also allow the secondary outer flame to properly heat the entire surrounding joint. If the copper pipe is 1/2 inch, the inner cone flame should be a 1/2 inch long. If the copper pipe is 3/4 inch, the inner cone flame should be 3/4 inches long. If the copper pipe is 1 inch, the inner cone flame should be 1 inch long. Using this method will raise the temperature of the pipe and fitting at a slower, more controlled rate. This will reduce the amount of oxides inside the joint, causing increased capillary action and increased solder flow. This will result in a strong connection that's not prone to leaks. This will also save gas. Here you can see using a 1/2 inch flame on the 1/2 inch copper pipe completely filled in the joint with solder. Using a larger flame will raise the temperature of the pipe and fitting at a much faster rate, which can cause overheating. Overheating will increase the amount of oxides inside the joint and start burning away the flux paste. This will result in reduced capillary action and reduced solder flow, causing a weak connection that's prone to leaks. Here you can see using a much larger flame on the 1/2 inch copper pipe did not completely fill in the joint with solder. I hope you found this helpful, and if you like this video, please hit the like button below, share it with your friends, and please be sure to subscribe. God bless you and have a great day. Bye for now. Okay, Sparky, wait.